Hey there, and welcome to Buckeye Bloomstead, where nature and inspiration have daily dance-offs. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fabulous world of shrubs, those underappreciated superheroes of the garden. Thanks to your feedback, we've lined up 16 must-have shrubs that'll make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. Why 16, you ask? Well, we thought about doing 15, but then we realized we're too rebellious for that. Could we have added 20? Absolutely. But then we'd be here all day, and we know you've got gardening to do. So buckle up and get ready to meet the hidden gems that'll turn your outdoor space into a lush, thriving paradise. Number 1 is Buttonbush, Cephalanthus occidentalis, sugar shack. We begin with the buttonbush, a versatile shrub that thrives in a variety of climates, from the coldest winters to the hottest summers. Its glossy, vibrant green leaves add a lushness to any garden, making it stand out even in dry conditions. In summer, the buttonbush offers unique spherical white flowers that resemble tiny fireworks, attracting pollinators and adding a burst of fragrance to your garden. Perfect for areas with wet soil, this shrub is as resilient as it is beautiful, making it a must-have for any garden. Number 2 is oakleaf hydrangea, Hydrangea quercifolia, Gatsby gal. Oakleaf hydrangeas are often overlooked, but their unique leaf shape and vibrant seasonal colors make them a standout in any garden. From deep green summer leaves to rich burgundy fall foliage, and from creamy white to pink blooms, this shrub offers year-round interest and texture. Ideal for both sun and partial shade, oakleaf hydrangeas are as versatile as they are stunning. Their adaptability to various soil types, from loamy to sandy and even clay, makes them an ideal choice for a wide range of gardens. One of the most remarkable aspects of the oakleaf hydrangea is its ability to thrive in both full sun and partial shade, though it truly shines when given a balance of morning sun and afternoon shade. This flexibility allows you to use it in different areas of your garden, whether as a focal point, a foundation plant, or even as part of a woodland border. Beyond their impressive flowers and foliage, oakleaf hydrangeas offer a dynamic display throughout the seasons. In early summer, they produce large, conical flower clusters that can reach up to 12 inches in length. These blooms start off as a creamy white, gradually turning pink, and sometimes even taking on a deeper rose hue as the season progresses. This transition in color not only adds visual interest, but also extends the period during which the shrub is a focal point in your garden. As fall approaches, the foliage of the oakleaf hydrangea undergoes a dramatic transformation. The large, oak-shaped leaves turn rich shades of red, orange, and even purple, providing a stunning contrast against the remaining green plants in your garden. This autumnal display is often enhanced by the plant's peeling bark, which adds a layer of texture and interest during the winter months. In addition to its beauty, the oakleaf hydrangea is also known for its resilience. It's relatively pest and disease resistant, making it a low-maintenance choice for gardeners. With proper care, which includes regular watering during dry spells and mulching to retain soil moisture, this shrub can live for decades, becoming a cherished part of your landscape. Oakleaf hydrangeas also play well with other plants. Consider pairing them with perennials like hostas, ferns, or astilbes to create a lush, layered look. Their ability to adapt to different garden styles, from formal to cottage and everything in between, makes them a versatile choice for gardeners looking to add both structure and beauty to their outdoor spaces. If you're looking for a shrub that provides a stunning display through all 4 seasons, requires minimal maintenance, and offers a rich tapestry of color and texture, the oakleaf hydrangea is an outstanding choice. Its versatility and enduring charm make it a must-have for any garden, big or small. Number 3, Catalpa, Catalpa tashkentensis, El Niño. The Catalpa, a unique blend of desert willow and catalpa, is a resilient beauty that defies the odds. With its delicate, fluffy pink blooms that resemble orchids, this shrub will perfume your garden and create a tropical oasis right in your backyard. Despite its fragility in appearance, the Catalpa is tough, thriving in extreme temperatures and challenging conditions. Number 4 is sweet shrub, Calycanthus floridus, Aphrodite. The sweet shrub, with its large, burgundy red blooms that exude a fragrance as varied as the climate in which it grows. Whether you detect the scent of ripening grapes or a fruity bouquet, this shrub is sure to delight your senses. Its glossy leaves and bold structure make it a striking addition to any garden, especially in areas that receive full or partial sunlight. Number 5 is chokeberry, Aronia melanocarpa, landscape snowfire. Chokeberries are tough, durable shrubs that can withstand almost any condition. The snowfire variety is particularly stunning, with its profusion of white blooms in the spring, followed by glossy blue-black berries and fiery red fall foliage. This shrub is a true survivor, thriving in heat, drought, and poor soil conditions, making it an ideal choice for low-maintenance gardening. On to number 6, Glow Girl Spirea, Spirea betulifolia, Glow Girl. A shrub that brings a touch of light and peace to your garden, Glow Girl Spirea is a must-have for its bright chartreuse foliage and pure white blooms. This hardy plant is low maintenance and thrives in a variety of conditions, making it perfect for those who want a vibrant yet easy-to-care-for addition to their landscape. Now for number 7, Dwarf Birch, Betula nana, Chesky Gold. For those looking to add a touch of golden elegance to their garden, the dwarf birch is a perfect choice. With its delicate chartreuse yellow leaves and compact size, this shrub adds a refreshing note to any landscape. Despite its dainty appearance, it is incredibly hardy, surviving in the coldest of climates. Now on to number 8, Cotoneaster, Little Dipper. The cotoneaster is a ground cover shrub that provides 4 seasons of interest, from glossy leaves in the spring to bright red berries in the fall and winter. It's perfect for erosion control and weed suppression, and its ability to thrive in various conditions makes it a versatile addition to any garden. Now on to number 9, False Spirea, Sorbaria sorbifolia, Mr. Mustard. False Spirea offers fern-like foliage that emerges in a brilliant mix of pink, red, and orange. While it's a hardy plant, be mindful of its tendency to sucker. However, in the right spot, this shrub can provide a stunning naturalized effect with minimal maintenance. Number 10 is ground cover juniper, Juniperus horizontalis, Montana moss. Ground cover junipers are often overlooked, but the Montana moss variety changes that perception. With its soft, icy blue-green foliage and sprawling growth habit, this shrub adds a cooling effect to any garden. It's also incredibly low maintenance, requiring little water and providing excellent weed suppression. Now on to number 11, Blue Mist Spirea, Caryopteryx clandinensis, Longwood Blue. Adding a touch of blue to your garden, the Blue Mist Spirea is a late summer bloomer that attracts pollinators with its fragrant, airy flowers. This shrub is drought tolerant and thrives in full sun, making it an excellent choice for adding color when most other plants have finished blooming. Number 12, Russian Sage Perovskia atroplicifolia. Russian sage brings a cloud of lavender blue flowers to the garden, swaying gently in the breeze. Its silver-gray foliage adds a soft, ethereal quality, and its ability to thrive in hot, dry conditions makes it an invaluable addition to any garden, particularly in challenging climates. Number 13, Ninebark, Physocarpus opulifolius, Diabolo. Ninebark is a hardy shrub known for its stunning deep purple foliage and peeling bark, which adds winter interest. The Diabolo variety also produces clusters of white or pinkish flowers, followed by red seed capsules, making it a multi-seasonal star in any garden. Number 14, Witch Hazel, Hamamelis spp. Witch hazel is a fascinating shrub that blooms in the late fall or early spring when most other plants are dormant. Its spidery, fragrant flowers in shades of yellow, orange, or red bring a splash of color to the winter landscape, and its tolerance for a wide range of conditions makes it a reliable garden staple. Our final number 15, winterberry, Ilex verticillata. The winterberry is a deciduous holly that adds a vibrant splash of red to the winter garden. Its bright berries provide essential food for birds, and its adaptability to wet soils makes it an excellent choice for rain gardens or low-lying areas. This shrub is a true beacon of color in the colder months. Now for our last, number 16, Japanese Kerria, Kerria japonica pleniflora. Our journey toady continues with our last on the list, number 15, the Japanese Kerria, an elegant and timeless shrub that brings a touch of old-world charm to any garden. The pleniflora variety in particular is renowned for its abundant, bright yellow, double-petaled blooms that appear in early spring and sometimes again in the fall. These cheerful flowers resemble tiny pom-poms, and their vibrant color is a welcome sight after the long winter months. The Japanese Kerria isn't just about its striking blooms. Its arching, green stems remain vibrant throughout the winter, providing year-round interest and structure to your garden. This deciduous shrub is incredibly hardy, thriving in zones 4 through 9, and it can tolerate a range of soil types, from well-drained to moderately moist conditions. One of the most delightful features of the Japanese Kerria is its ability to thrive in partial to full shade, making it an excellent choice for brightening up darker corners of your garden. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of shrubs. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Buckeye Bloomstead. Share your thoughts and favorite shrubs in the comments below. We love hearing from our community.